I'm gonna be showing you how to make your Facebook account completely private on your phone. Okay, let's get started right now. You want to open your Facebook account, as you can see here, and at the very bottom right you want to click your profile or menu or three lines at the very bottom right. Now if you are here, what you want to do, guys, you want to scroll down a little bit and click on settings and privacy. Now after that you want to click on privacy shortcuts, the second option. Now after you click on privacy shortcuts, you want to click on take a privacy checkup. Okay, so probably you will change it by the time you are watching this video. Just click the first option where it says take a privacy checkup. You want to click the first option. Now after you click on check privacy checkup, now you want to click on who can see what you share. Okay, now you want to click continue at the very bottom. Now you want to make all this information only me. I already turned this to only me because I don't want anyone to see this information because they are personal. Like for example, my phone number. You can click on only me, and then make at the very bottom it says here only me. You want to make it only me, and email address the same thing. You want to make it only me. Your date of birth only me, and the city, your city, make it only me. Yeah, that's it. Now what you want to do, guys, you can see this arrow in the top left. You want to click it. You want to just go back a little bit, and after that you want to click on how to keep your account secure. Now you want to click continue at the very bottom, and we'll send you a notification. These things are just like not very important, so click escape. Okay, it's used somewhere else. If you want to change your password, just click change. If you don't want, just go back. So that let me show you other methods to make your Facebook account private. Now we want to click on, you want to go back, okay, and then click on how people can see or how people can find you on Facebook. You want to click this, how people can find you on Facebook, and then click continue at the very bottom. And in the top right you want to click friends or friends. If it's on everyone, make sure you click on friends or friends. Now you want to click next at the very bottom right, and here you want to like it says here phone number, it's only me. You want to make it only me, and email address you want to make it only me, as you can see here, and then click next. And this say here, do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile? Just turn this on off, you don't need to, and then click next, and then click on review another topic, and then after that you want to click this X in the top left. You want to click it, and now you are here where you clicked on take a privacy checkup. You want to click on see more privacy settings at the bottom, the fourth option. You want to click see more privacy settings. After that you want to click on who can see your future posts. You can make it only me if you want. Just click only me, and then click save at the bottom, and it says here limit who can see past posts. You can click limit past posts. You can click it if you want. Now go back and then click who can see your future reels. You can make it friends, except you can make there is no only me for this. There is only friends and public. You want to select friends, and now go back. When you select friends, make sure to click done in the top so that you can save the settings. Now you want to go back and then click who can send your friend requests. You want to select friends of friends, so people who are not friends of friends, they are not going to be able to send your friend request. Now there are a lot of information here. You can select anything you want. Hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, please drop a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.